dynamic code execution. Now this involves executing code that is dynamically written or that we don't have kind of written in our Python script. Now there's two main functions we can use to do that. The first is exec and the second is eval. So let's say that we have some code snippet here that's written in something like a string. Maybe the user wants to execute some code and they're kind of writing in some input prompt and giving it to us. Now this exec function actually executes code within the current context of globals and locals. What that means is that if something like a local variable is defined or a function is defined, we can actually access it afterwards in our Python code. And same thing with globals, there's just two scopes, right? So the global scope is like the entire Python file, and the local scope is the scope in which we've executed this function, which in this case would be this function right here. Anyways, I know that's a little bit confusing, but the point is that exec allows us to execute some code and then access what's in the scope afterwards. It doesn't return any value or any result, as you can see here. It just kind of executes the code.